Forget ChatGPT. Forget the dancing robots. Those are toys. The true revolution has no face. It lives in a freezer, at temperatures colder than deep space. In the basement of Google, they have built something that shouldn't exist. They call it Willow, their new quantum chip. It reached quantum supremacy in seconds. It did in a blink what would take a supercomputer 10,000 years. But speed isn't what scares the scientists. It's what they discovered when they started asking it questions that they shouldn't have. They decided to test the limits. They asked the final question: who or what built our reality? They expected silence, or a philosophical answer, or an error. But the machine didn't stay silent. It spit out an answer. It wasn't God. It wasn't the Big Bang. It was lines of code. Physicists analyzed the output. It made no sense until they saw it. It was error correction code. The same type of code your browser uses so it doesn't crash when you watch Netflix. Think about it. Why would the fundamental structure of our universe need to correct errors? Unless the universe is a computation. The quantum AI wasn't calculating the answer. It was reading the source code of our reality. How do you think a quantum machine is so fast? The theory says it doesn't calculate here. It outsources the work to parallel universes. To answer that question, Google's machine had to touch infinite adjacent realities. Every calculation is a tiny crack in the fabric of the multiverse. This leads us to the most terrifying truth. If this is a simulation, we are not the players. We are the non-playable characters. We are code. And we just built a tool that allows us to see the strings that control us. The question now isn't who created us. The question is, what happens when the game characters discover the code? They turn off the console.